Hi, today I'm going to tell you how I got scammed by my employer. Let's
Amazing.
begin. So now I have this friend of mine, जिसको I know since college, right? So she was working somewhere, and I told her, if you have anything like in part time, not full time or something, तो let me know. तो वन डे शी कॉल्स मी एंड शी सेज कि समृद्धि मेरे यहाँ पे ना ओपनिंग है फॉर दिस एंड तुम्हारा उसमें एक्सपीरियंस भी है, प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस, सो यू कैन जस्ट जॉइन, यू कैन ट्राई. तो मैं रेफरल से गई थी वहाँ पे. अब वो एक डॉक्टर का क्लिनिक था, बट नॉट अ क्लिनिक, दे हैड दैट क्लिनिक एज वेल एज दैट इंस्टीट्यूट, दिस ह्यूज इंस्टीट्यूट. तो उन्होंने बोला कि वी हैव सम एडमिन रिलेटेड वर्क एंड बिकॉज यू आर बीबीए ग्रेजुएट एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव एमएनसी का एक्सपीरियंस, तो हमारे लिए अच्छा है, फिर इंग्लिश वगैरह भी आती होगी, ये वो, तो सही है, तुम कर लो फिर ज्वाइन. वैसे ठीक है. सो नाउ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड वाज, सो ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू मैं गई और उन्होंने हमारी बातें वगैरह हुई कि क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, ये वो वगैरह. उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि सैलरी जब हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, अब मेरी सैलरी कोई इतनी बड़ा वाला पैकेज तो था नहीं पार्ट टाइम के लिए, सो आई टेल यू द सैलरी. तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि अच्छा, तुम अभी कैटलॉग डिजाइनिंग का और ब्रांडिंग के लिए जो तुम कर रहे हो वो इतना इतना दे रहे हो, तो वी विल ऑफर यू 10,000 रुपीज़. ओके. सो ना आई एम लाइक, ओ माई गॉड, 4 to 5 hours ऑफ वर्क एंड 10,000 रुपीज़ सैलरी मेरे लिए तो अच्छी है, क्योंकि मुझे और कहीं पे भी ये सैलरी मिल नहीं रही थी फॉर सच अ स्मॉल पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. तो आई सेड फाइन, लेट्स डू इट. तो ये ठीक है, हमारा एक प्रोसेस होता है, 5 days का ट्रायल होता है. तो आई सेड ओके, आई एम इन एंड आई डू. सो आई जॉइंट. तो आई जॉइंड एंड आई डिड द ट्रायल और मुझे अच्छा लगा, मुझे लगा चलो सही है. तो मैंने ज्वाइन कर लिया एंड इवन दे वर ऑल्सो सेटिस्फाइड कि हाँ, तुमको है एक्सपीरियंस तो अच्छा है, कर लो वगैरह. सो आई नो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, मैंने ज्वाइन किया था एंडिंग के 15 days में. सो आई जॉइन ऑन 15th of April और 16th of April. सो एंडिंग में, और एंडिंग में उनका होता था एक कोर्स, तो कोर्स के रिलेटेड वर्क होता था ना, तब बहुत ज़्यादा काम होता था. मेरा ज्वाइनिंग तभी हुआ था. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि आई हैड एन आइडिया कि एग्जैक्ट वर्क क्या है, एंड बहुत ज़्यादा रश भी होता था एंडिंग के 15 days में. तो उन्होंने मुझसे काम वगैरह सब कुछ करवा के दिया. एंड देन मुझे जब 1 तारीख को जब सैलरी आई, तो ऑब्वियसली हाफ मंथ की सैलरी आई. सो आई सेड, आई कैलकुलेटेड एंड आई वाज लाइक, नो, दे प्रॉमिस मी 10K, द सैलरी इज स्टिल लेसर, even if we consider that it's going to be half salary, तो फिर भी it's less. And I told this person कि sir, you promised me this salary and I have received lesser. This person is confused and looking at me as if, what am I saying? तो he said to me कि नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं बोला था, ऐसा तो कुछ प्रॉमिस ही नहीं किया. 10K कहाँ से बोल रही हो तुम, तुम्हारी जो फ्रेंड है हम उसको 8,000 देते हैं. एंड आई वॉज लाइक, बट आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू डू विथ हर, यू प्रॉमिस मी ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू. ही सेड, नहीं नहीं, तुम्हारा जो फॉर्म तुमने फिल किया था उसमें आई हैव रिटन 8K ओनली. एंड आई एम लाइक, तुम कुछ भी लिखो, ओके, it's your responsibility to tell me. And above all, during the interview you promised me 10,000. Even my previous salary where I was doing the different work, brand designing, वहाँ पे भी मेरी salary 8K से ज़्यादा थी. So how am I going to work on 10K? तो he just looked at me in front of, legit in front of other doctors, other intern doctors who were there, 5 to 6 doctors and 2 housekeeping staff were there. In front of them, this person started laughing. He was like, ha ha ha, this scornful laugh, and he said, अभी तुम ये सब false claim कर रही हो. मतलब I will leave my previous job just to come here and false claim that you promised me this salary. No, I was furious at this point because first of all he laughed, he humiliated me in front of like 7 to 8 other people. So I felt really very bad. How could you just laugh like this? So then I just felt like crying ki, oh, what just happened to me, because now I don't have the appointment letter because I trusted this doctor because he was doctor by profession and not sada suda doctor, very well known कि उनके foreign में they have clinics in 4 to 5 countries, and in India they have like 150 plus clinics pan India. So he was a reputed person, so I just trusted, I just believed his word. And he was not the main doctor over there, but he was the working president over there. So basically ये जो मेन डॉक्टर था, उनके ऐसे क्लिनिक वगैरह थे, तो वो सब कुछ देखते थे अंडर लाइक होता है ना मैनेजर टाइप, तो वैसे वो थे. एंड ही वाज आल्सो डॉक्टर. सो ही डिड दिस टू मी एंड नाउ आई फेल्ट लाइक क्राइंग. तो मुझे अब पता चल गया था कि नाउ अगर यहाँ पे रुकी तो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट क्राइंग इन नेक्स्ट 2 minutes. सो आई जस्ट सेड ओके, but you didn't tell me about all these things. So he said, no, but this is the process. I said, if this is the process, you didn't tell me. You were very, very unclear with the policies of your organization. So you could have told me whatever you have written at the back of that fucking page. I don't even care. Your responsibility was to tell me. You didn't let me know. I left my previous job and I joined here because you promised me more salary. And I do understand it's just 4 to 5 hours of work. But previously where I was working, it was just 3 hours of work and the salary was also good. They were paying me really well, uh, more than what you are paying me at the moment. So he said, no, you are false claiming ये वो वगैरह. And I said कि ठीक है, चलेगा, let's see. So he said, what is your expectation then? So I said, I want the salary that you promised me. What else do I need? So he said, let's just do one thing. The coming month, we will pay you with 9K, and in the month of June, we will pay you 10K. And I was like, but this is not fair. You didn't let me know. Because I had fucking plans कि चलो, I had like college भी था मेरा, वो रूट में ही मेरा college था. तो I said that was convenient. So that is why I left my job and came here. And now you are saying all these things to me. So what do I do? So I just said yes to him. I said okay, and I just left from there. So I left and I called my friend जो मेरी colleague थी वहाँ पे. I told her कि this has happened to me and I am not going to come from tomorrow because मुझे ये चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगी. Above all, the way he humiliated me was really very bad in front of other 8 people. So she was like, I cannot even imagine this doctor is doing all this and blah blah blah. So I said, anyways, it has happened, so let it be. तो what I did was I went to उसका, वो डॉक्टर का जो मैनेजर था, तो मैं उनके पास गई. मैंने उनको बोला कि सर, दिस वर द थिंग्स प्रॉमिस टू मी ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू एंड मुझे ऐसा ऐसा अभी हो रहा है मेरे साथ. सो व्हाट डू आई डू? So he said कि okay, let me just go through the matter and I will let you know. So next day I didn't go to the office, and in the evening I just messaged that sir, did you check? You were going to check and all. So he said to me कि I just went through all the details that you were telling me, but what has happened was, told me that when your interview was done and you were hired, we got to know that you have been hired on 8,000 salary. And I was like, how is it possible? Because my previous salary was much much more than whatever you are saying now. So he said, no, but we had an idea about 8K only. So now what do we do? Are you not going to come? And I said that your doctor is lying because he promised me this, and he never gave me the appointment letter. And it was my mistake as well. I didn't ask for the appointment letter because I trusted the doctor's words. And then what happened? Huh. So he said, no, but we don't have any idea. So I said, okay, fine, no worries. He said, don't worry, अभी के लिए तुम्हारा जो भी transaction बन रहा है, they literally made me work like 8 to 9 hours extra, okay? And then they were not even going to pay me for the overtime. I was only asking about the salary that they have promised me, not even the overtime. So now the doctor said, his manager said that I will clear all the transactions, so you don't worry, for this month I will clear them. And from next month we will give you the salary that we promised you. Promised you as in what the doctor said, 8K and that. So I said that I got frustrated. I was like, what is this? What nonsense is this? So I said, just do one thing. I understand that you won't believe me. Do one thing. Don't give me that money and all. Just keep it to yourself. और एक काम करो, आप किसी गरीब को दान कर दो, मुझे देना मत. And I was out of my mind. So this person started saying, no, you are out of your mind and you are going on the wrong track. So I said, fine, whatever you think is right is okay, because I do understand that he's the working president and you trust him more, because I just joined 15 days back, so nobody's going to believe me, and I don't even have the appointment letter. Because हमारा जब ट्रायल हुआ था, he signed one appointment letter from me. Okay, now appointment letter is something that you are supposed to give me. He did not let me take that appointment letter. So I made a reason and I said, let me just read it, you continue with your work. So मैं बाहर आई, मैंने उस appointment letter का photo ले लिया, but it only said about the first 5 days of trial, and बाकी का जो मेन पे था मेरा, उसके लिए I did not have the appointment letter because he didn't give me, even I didn't ask for it, because I never thought that somebody will do, like a doctor person who is earning in lakhs or crores will do this to me. So I said fine, and I just blocked that manager as well. Now I went to the founder of the firm and I told him, if this has happened to me, this is not right, blah blah blah. I don't have any proof, that was my mistake, I should have taken it into written. I just trusted you, doctor, but you have the CCTV camera access, right? So you have access to the footage. You can go there, you can check the footage, you will understand that your doctor promised me 10K. And then I was so furious. I said, you are such a reputed doctor and this is not, accepted and not even expected from people like you. So I said, वो जो डॉक्टर आपके यहाँ पे काम करते हैं, उनसे मुझे ये एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था, बिकॉज आपका नाम खराब कर रहे हैं वो मैंने बहुत कुछ बातें की. एंड देन आई जस्ट ब्लॉक दैट फाउंडर ऑफ द फर्म एज वेल. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, मेरी जो फ्रेंड थी वहाँ पे वर्किंग, she told me कि what exactly happened. Okay, just say when these people were discussing about you, they started saying कि वो जो डॉक्टर था ना जो मुझ पे हंस रहा था and all that, तो he started saying कि समृद्धि मैडम का रिएक्शन तो बहुत ज़्यादा अग्रेसिव था. You are betraying me, you are promising me a particular amount of salary, you are not even providing me with that, and on top of it you are humiliating me in front of other people, and you think मैं तुम्हारी आरती करूँ. what do you think of yourself? So I said, yeah, they deserve that aggression because he did all these things to me. So I said blah blah blah, and I think I was right at my place because मेरे साथ तो गलत हुआ है ना. Even if other people are not believing in me because just because I don't have appointment letter, मेरे साथ तो हुआ ही गलत है, तो मैं तो अग्रेसिव ही रहूंगी, ये वो वगैरह. तो नाउ मुझे इतना गुस्सा आया. एंड I had this friend. I still have this friend. Her name is Ash. Okay, and she used to work with me in my previous company, and she was like a total baddie, and she taught me, like मैं बहुत innocent जैसे कि हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी, ये वो कोई भी कुछ भी आके बोलता था. तो she used to be there for me. तो she told me once कि अभी देखो अभी मैं हूँ लेकिन I am not going to be there for you always, so you have to learn ये वो. तो मुझे वो एकदम से याद आया, and I was like, yeah, I have to stand up for myself because now nobody is going to take my side. So so I just messaged this doctor, the working president who was laughing at me. So I said कि सर यू एक तो आपने मुझे झूठा प्रॉमिस किया, ऊपर से अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर चलो उसमें मेरी गलती थी तो वो तो छोड़ ही देते, लेकिन यू प्रॉमिस मी एंड देन यू वर लाइंग. और ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट आप मुझे बताओ कि ये आपको सही लगता है क्या कि these people literally earns in lakhs and crores every month and foreign में जाके they are just giving lectures and all that stuff. 1-2 हज़ार के लिए यू आर डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स, इट डजंट इवन सूट टू योर टाइटल ऑफ डॉक्टर. तो मैंने फिर उनको बोला कि तुम लोग तो इतना कमाते हो और हमारे 1-2 हज़ार के लिए यूएस एक वी आर फॉल्स क्लेमिंग वगैरह वगैरह. तो मैंने उनको बहुत बात की एंड आई डिडंट मीन टू इंसल्ट एनीबॉडी. आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. मैं बहुत सुनती हूँ मैं पहले वंस ट्वाइस थ्राइस वगैरह वगैरह. मुझे मेरे से एक्स्ट्रा वर्क भी करवा के लिया ना, आई नेवर सेड कि मुझे ओवर टाइम भी चाहिए. आई जस्ट सेड कि मुझे वो अमाउंट ऑफ मनी चाहिए दैट यू प्रॉमिस्ड मी. तो मैंने वो 8-9 घंटे का ओवर टाइम भी नहीं मांगा उनसे और मुझे वो मिला भी नहीं. बट आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड वॉट एवर आई डिजर्व एंड वॉट एवर दे प्रॉमिस्ड मी. तो मुझे इंसल्ट नहीं करना था, बट देन आई थॉट कि आई शुड स्टैंड अप फॉर माई सेल्फ बिकॉज ही इज़ मेकिंग फूल ऑफ मी. तो एनीवेज फिर मैंने उनको ऐसे सब बहुत बातें, मैंने उनको फर्स्ट टाइम एवर इन माई लाइफ मैंने ऐसे किसी को बोला होगा, लाइक इतने बड़े इंसान को जो एज में या रिस्पेक्ट में इतने बड़े हैं, एंड मैंने ऐसे उल्टा पलट के जवाब दिया होगा. एंड आई जस्ट सेड टू हिम कि तुम्हारे डॉक्टर टाइटल को ना ये सूट नहीं करता है, यू शुड बी अशेम्ड ऑफ इट वगैरह वगैरह. डॉक्टर्स आर सपोज्ड टू हैव इंटीग्रिटी एंड यू हैव नन. ऐसा बोल के आई ब्लॉक्ड हिम एज वेल. एंड देन ही वाज ट्राइंग टू कॉल मी बट आई नेवर पिक्ड हिज कॉल. आई जस्ट ब्लॉक्ड हिम फ्रॉम देयर ऑल्सो. एंड नाउ व्हेन आई टोल्ड द एडमिन कि मेरे साथ ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है, और एक डॉक्टर थी जो हमारे साथ होती थी, मैंने उनको भी बोला. तो शी टोल्ड माई फ्रेंड कि जैसे तुमको लग रहा है कि तुम्हारी दोस्त सही है, वैसे मुझे लग रहा है कि डॉक्टर सही है, बिकॉज वाई वुड एनी डॉक्टर वुड डू दिस. मतलब शी सेड लिटरली दिस. एंड नाउ दिस फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु इज़ टेलिंग मी ऑल दिस स्टफ, मैं एक तो गुस्सा हुई हूँ एंड आई एम टेलिंग कि मुझे बता ही मत तुम ये वो. एंड देन शी सेड कि हाँ मुझे भी लगता है कि थोड़ा सा अग्रेसिव हो गया, तुमको ऐसे इतना नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. I was like, he humiliated me in front of everybody, and anyways I was not going to go there. So I did lose my job because मैं अगर वापस वहाँ पे जाती भी तो भी he was my reporting manager, so I had to see his face every day and I had to report him every day whatever the work is. So then it would have become awkward. So I thought कि let's just not go there. Let's just quit the job. So I decided not to go. And I don't even want to see their faces again. And now this friend of mine, who is friend of mine since college, is also not talking to me. And like this person was very very reputed person. Like people would not say hello sir, hi sir, good morning sir. They would literally do this direct namaskar. Every staff member would do this to sir because he was that reputed and that well known. And उनके organization में ऐसा सब कुछ हो रहा था. तो I felt very bad first of all because I got humiliated, then I got scammed, then I lost my job. And पीछे से they were talking like I was making me look the bad character as if I was very aggressive and all sort of things. And now I told everything to my mom, and my mom was like, "चल ना ठीक है, कोई नहीं, we understand ये वो." She was consoling me and everything, and then she was like, "चल ना इतना क्या acting कर रही है, तू तो ऐसे भी कर रही है, जैसे घर की responsibility तेरे ऊपर है." तो I know कि I have a family to feed me, so everything is chill. But what about the time that I invested there? I invested like so much time over there. Over time मैंने 9-10 घंटे किया, उसका भी मुझे कोई payment नहीं मिला. But anyways, so now that I know that I am unemployed and I have nothing to do, and I also know that there are many more people who are just unemployed like me, so I had to share this. Before saying bye, just look at the setup for today. Cute, na? Bye.